Hi kids, welcome back. For today, we are going to discuss your lesson about tracking the menstrual cycle. For our most essential learning competency, map the phases of menstrual cycle. Let's ignite your curiosity, discover something new, unleash your inner scientist with Science 5! I am your virtual teacher, Teacher Regine. On our previous lesson, we identify and describe the phases of menstrual cycle. This cycle approximately lasted for 28 days. But can we trace how this cycle happened? Let's find out. For our guide questions, how to trace the process of menstrual cycle? How can we track the menstrual cycle? The menstrual cycle usually lasted for about 28 days. To track the cycle, we are going to use the calendar to understand when will be the next menstruation occur. We will also use the menstrual cycle chart to track the days of each phases. The first day of menstruation is the first day of menstrual cycle. The uterine lining breaks down and the blood comes out of the vagina. The menstrual phase, it usually lasted for about 3 to 5 days. In this case, the menstruation started November 1 and lasted November 5. The follicular phase started after the last menstruation. Days 6 to 14 of the month is the repair period of the uterine lining and development period for the egg to mature. For the follicular phase in the calendar, it started on November 6 and ends on November 15. Ovulation occurs when egg is released by the ovary. The egg cell travels along the oviduct and waits for a sperm cell. The ovulation phase in the calendar starts from November 16 and ends on November 19. In this stage, if fertilization may take place, pregnancy is possible. During this period, the uterus prepares itself for the possible fertilization and implantation by making the uterine lining grow and thicken. Luteal phase starts on November 20 and ends on November 28. If fertilization does not take place, the thickened uterus breaks down and comes out of the body through menstruation. Then the cycle repeats itself. Menstruation phase starts from November 1 and ends with November 5. Follicular phase starts from November 6 and ends with November 14. Ovulation phase starts from November 15 and ends with November 19. Luteal phase starts from November 20 and ends with November 28. And the next menstruation occurs on November 29 and ends on December 3. However, there are some delayed cycles. This can be due to some factors such as stress, hormonal imbalance, and inadequate nutrients in the body. If you experience this, better to consult a gynecologist, a doctor who specializes in female reproductive system, to address this problem.